fellas. Since I'm sitting here doing nothing, waiting on load, I'm gonna replace this hood latch or whatever it's called, because it's broken inside. Look, you can see it. It's not, the jaws are not even expanding inside. Oh, no, only one side, and it's not holding the hood on the right side. So I got a new one here. Just gonna take this one off, put the new one on. I'll clean all this dirt and grease from these nuts here. Because I don't even see what is the size of the nut right now. All four. Spray some PB Blaster. The bolts are moving. These are bolts on the bottom. These are welded nuts here on the actual latch. Now look how much rust it was under the grease all around the nut. Okay, I'm gonna remove all four and take this thing off. Alright, got all four bolts out, and this thing is just coming off like this. Got this thing in the same position. I'm gonna clean this bolts just a little bit, put the anti-seize on it, put them back on. I got all four bolts inside, but they are not tight. I'm gonna take the hood down with the little cone here, and when the cone goes inside, I think it's gonna put it in a perfect spot, just like this. It's gonna put it in the perfect position, I think, like this. Yep. I'm just gonna tighten these bolts, and I think it's good to go. Okay, all four bolts are tight, and you can see the difference. Look at the jaw inside here, and look at the old one. There's only one side is working. It's gonna hold the hood good now. I had to adjust this cable a little bit. I got brand new cables. This cable is getting stuck inside, but to replace them it's not that easy, so I'm not gonna do it right now. But I got new ones, both of them. So this thing works right now like a charm. I'll show you. Please. Oh, and my hood is sitting still. Before it was moving on this side, it was jumping. I could see it on the headlights, and from the driver's seat I could see too. Like the hood was bouncing. Right now it's stiff. That's all. 0 loads around here, fellas. So I'm going home. 215 miles, and then I'm hoping to get something around there. We'll see. for another load. Not in the truck in this heat. So ciao. I'll take Shorty's batteries home. So I put them on the charger. They are a little weak from sitting. So I'm gonna charge them, put them back in.